Hey everyone, welcome back again. So today we're gonna have a RHAMPHORHYNCHUS video. This could be my first RHAMPHORHYNCHUS. I don't think I ever had a RHAMPHORHYNCHUS video before. So here's my last 3 RHAMPHORHYNCHUS. This is the fan facts right here. If you scan it, it will tell you where it belongs. Here's the other one. But I'm sure this is a dino escape, I think. I'm not sure about this too though. But if you scan it, like I said, it'll tell you what kind. So this is the new one from Survival. We're gonna check it out, Frenzy Pack. So this is, yeah, like I said, my first RHAMPHORHYNCHUS video. We still don't have the Deinonychus. I couldn't find it. I have already 3 of these. Alright, let's check this out now. We're gonna unbox it. We'll see the difference, but I think it looks the same. I wish they changed it a bit to make it like mutated, because it's the Survival series, but nothing looks changed here. Looks totally the same. Okay, let's not damage it. There. Okay, like I said, there's the Fun Facts DNA, the newest one. So let's compare it. It looks exactly the same to the old ones. The tails, actually, it's just a the sculpt is totally the same. The wingspan's the same. The face, the teeth. I wish they made it like sharper to make, you know, to alter it, to alter the look. Let's grab another oldie here. Definitely the same. They just changed the color. Let's see the year. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that. 2018. So it is old. Nothing has been changed. Let's check the older ones. This also is 2018. The Dino Escape. Yeah, definitely 2018. It is the same thing. It's just a different paint. They just gave it a different color. Yeah, I wish they gave it like a little spike on its back, or the head, you know, make the wings a little, gave it some tattered, you know, change it a bit, or the tail going that way, you know. But yep, that's pretty much it. It's a simple video. Obviously this will be a common again. Yeah, exactly the same. So how disappointing from Mattel. But anyways, yeah, it's the end of the Comic-Con in San Diego. We saw some new dinosaurs from Mattel. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. There's like a new Monolophosaurus, Baryonyx, even some humans. Also, there was like a new T-Rex, like a colorful T-Rex, a yellow, green, red Tyrannosaurus now. But yeah, anyways, yep, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good one now.